friend Santosh. Has given me an excellent product very first time, and each time I have come back to him, he has given me a system that superseded the first system, and today I can very proudly say that I have the best system in the market today on me, and I feel very comfortable. What's very important to know here is, as a customer, you come to a person, trusting him for a whole lot of things. Could be value for money, trust, customer service again when you want to come back. This is one company where you are treated on par, whether you buy the most basic system or the most expensive system. The technicians, the support staff, and Mr. Santosh himself takes a lot of personal interest in attending to your needs, also helping you give a lot of input on how the system should be managed, the pros and cons, the life of the system, what should I do to take care of the system. And there's a constant feedback from him, and I have been very lucky to have him. He constantly keeps checking with me 1.5 months, 2 months. He gives me a call to find out how the system is functioning. Do I need a refill? Do I need any kind of assistance from him? So this coming from a company, this is an ISO branded company, is amazing. I wish WDI very best. I would request all clients to come and pay WDI a visit. Because not only they are perfection, but there is a lot of value for money. There's a whole lot of trust put behind the branding that he has made. Expect the best of service, the best of trust, and a lot of value for your money from Santosh. So meet him personally, he is your money's worth. Thanks so much, Santosh. I'm wishing WDI the very best.